There's a common misconception that a high income automatically translates to wealth, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Not financial advice, but a harsh reality that many professionals face. According to a recent study, nearly 70% of high-income earners struggle with saving and investing. And what I'm about to show you will change how you think about your financial future. In 2026, achieving financial stability is more crucial than ever. With the rising cost of living and economic uncertainty, it's essential to understand the difference between income and wealth. In this video, we'll delve into the reasons behind the income trap and provide you with actionable takeaways to help you secure your financial future. So, let's get started and explore why high income does not equal wealth. So, what is the income trap? Simply put, it's the tendency for high-income earners to overspend and accumulate debt, rather than saving and investing. This can lead to a never-ending cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, despite earning a high income. But here's the part nobody talks about: the psychological factors that drive this behavior. The desire for status, the pressure to keep up with peers, and the lack of financial literacy all contribute to the income trap. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. According to a recent survey, the average high-income earner spends over 50% of their income on lifestyle upgrades, such as luxury cars and vacations. Meanwhile, only 10% of their income goes towards saving and investing. This disparity is staggering, and it's clear that the income trap is a major obstacle to achieving financial freedom. But what can you do to avoid it? So, what can you do to avoid the income trap and achieve financial freedom? First, it's essential to understand the difference between income and wealth. Wealth is not just about earning a high income, it's about building a stable financial foundation through saving, investing, and managing debt. Second, you need to develop a long-term perspective and avoid getting caught up in the lifestyle inflation trap. And third, you need to educate yourself on personal finance and investing. Remember, this is not financial advice, but rather a guide to help you make informed decisions about your financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal finance and investing. In our next video, we'll be exploring the best strategies for building wealth in 2026. And as you start to build your wealth, you'll realize that it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and security that comes with it. So, stay tuned, and let's continue this journey to financial freedom together, starting with the most important step: taking control of your finances, and